Dalawang bagay lang. If we do not have peace and order, and if we cannot stop corruption, this government, no, nay, maybe our country will never develop. Maski ibigay mo sa isang tao ang termino ng presidency for 5 terms. Pagbagulo pa tayo after me, or it worsens after me. At if we cannot stop corruption, kawawa talaga ang Pilipino. Ako po ay nagsasabi sa iyo ngayon, dalawang bagay lang. If we do not have peace and order, at if we cannot stop corruption,